and welcome to Endeavor, a monthly video update from Garden Spot Village where you will discover the abundant opportunities you have to live with purpose in community. I'm Kelly Sweigart, the Director of Sales. Thank you for joining us this month for Endeavor. We still have a few openings for our February Look and Learn on Wednesday, February 19th at 10:30 a.m. Join us for an informational session, a delicious lunch, and a walking tour of our community. Register at gsv.run.org. Also, registration is open for our Spring Open House series. We will host the open houses in March this year. You'll have the unique opportunity to tour homes and interact with the residents who live there. We are offering 4 dates once a week on Fridays from 1 to 3 p.m., starting March 7th and running through March 28th. Visit gardenspotVillage.org/visit to register for the date you want to join us. Throughout February, we invite you to stop in to see the Birds and Bees birdhouse display and online auction. More than 90 birdhouses and bird-inspired items are offered in this annual online auction, which benefits the Garden Spot Village Benevolent Fund. To bid online, follow the link on the events page of our website. Join us on Thursday, February 6th for a presentation by Dr. Dean Rust, the president of the Bluebird Society of Pennsylvania. Dr. Rust monitors 20 Bluebird Trails in 4 Pennsylvania counties, including about 450 nest boxes. Once again, we invite you to join us April 25th and 26th, our race weekend. Girls on the Run will host a kids fun run on Friday, April 25th, and we will host our annual 10K and half marathon on Saturday, April 26th. Visit gsv.run to register. To find an up-to-date list of events available to the public, please visit the events page of our website. This has been Endeavor from Garden Spot Village, where you will discover the abundant opportunities you have to live with purpose in community. I'm Kelly Sweigart, and I look forward to seeing you soon.